Never go back. Once you commit to your goals, do not let any day pass without working on them. Your goals are the priority, and everything else is an interruption. Interruption. You must do. You must not set goals and then hope to do them as a side things or if time permits. Time does not permit anything, and time does not care or even know about your goals. And even if it were told, it would not care a dime about them. Time has its goals, which it to tick consistently without missing a beat. You better get busy with yours. Do not leave any vulnerability in your pursuit of goals. This means that when you compromise and allow a gap to be installed in your goals, that gap will start to become the norm, and soon you will allow another gap, and before you know it, you have been diverted. think think you will allow think once again about sending your compass to the moon or some distant planet. If you allow even a fraction of a degree diversion, this will translate to huge distances of the target over time. Your building blocks must be solid at the foundation, and you should not allow any crack to appear. Be resolute in your goals and get your priorities to be the goals, and everything else comes second. After all, you do not want to go back to the old life you had, and today will not be the day that you allow failure to crop in. With these steps, I believe in, if you follow them well and apply them, paying special attention to the step of execution and review for improvement, you will become unstoppable, and no goal you set cannot be achieved with time.